Oliver. Passes to Quinto. Quinto. Pass to... Yes, lays up. Cortez back and for two. Cortez. Goes bump. Goes to the baseline. Fix. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Cut up. And here's Rondaris. Against Odo lumipad. Lays. Yes, sir. Off the window. Pass Canson. And... Boom! Welcome to 5-2-1 Cup. It's between JPC versus CFAM. First ball possession para sa JPC. And here's Rondaris pass to the middle. And dribbling the ball. Stop bounce pass corner. Inside pass the alley, pass the lap pass and the finish by Fending for Team CFAM. And here's posting up stop na libre Faiz. Too strong. Rebound Rondaris. Rondaris pass it to the middle. Inside pass fakes clutch. Faiz back it over the big defender. That's fair. And here's Rivera against De La Cruz. Will spin. Will stops. Inside pass na tapikan. Ball is stolen. The high pass. Nauna na pinasa kay Rondaris. Off the glass. Too strong. And rebound Rondaris. Rondaris. Inside pass. Na libre De La Cruz. Easy to off the window. Cebriano. Chest pass. Rondaris the receiver. Goes to the middle. Stop pull up jet to free throw area. Bullseye. Canson. And here's Rivera. Drives against De La Cruz of the window. Bucket for two. Quinto. Pass to Rondaris for three. Bang! Three. Kakas high pass. Here's Rivera. Drives. Goes inside. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Over De La Cruz. Quinto. Quinto. Inside pass. Natapikan. Stolen. And here's Canson. Liz. Basket. Canson. Quinton. Chest pass. Quinto kicks out. Cebriano drives. Inside pass. Oh, no. Katakutan. Katakutan now. Goes to the wings. Goes bump. Goes to the baseline. Fix. Floater shot. Yes, sir! Cut. And it's number 7. Cebriano to Quinto. Inside pass na agawan. Rivera. Canson. Last. And the Cebriano. Bucket for two. Is Odu. Odu at the top. Looking for Canson. He passes to Katakutan. Katakutan now. He goes to the screen. Against Cortez. Floater shot. Nugget. And here's Oliver. Passes to Quinto. Quinto. Pass to... Yes, lays up. Cortez. Bucket for two. Cortez. Over. Canson goes to the middle. Canson crosses over, goes to the screen, goes down the wing side, floater shot at the baseline, no good. And here's Rondaris against Odo lumipad, lays, yes sir, off the window. And Damaso. Pass to, here's Rivera, pass, yes sir, Rivera. Quinto for three, won't go. And here's the, Canson, natapikan is stolen. Quinto kicks it out. Floater, Puyot. Yes, sir. Puyot. Canson. Behind the back dribble. Stop passes to Katakutan. Katakutan goes inside against Cortez. He fires off the window. Money. Odu. Odu posting up against Rondaris. Kakaldag. Fires. Nugget. And here's Cortez. Oliver. Oliver, bounce pass inside, Cortez, rejected. Fix pass, bucket for two, Oliver. Odu, will receive the ball. Against Puyot. Odu. Pass to Katakutan. Katakutan between the legs. Stepping back, high pass inside. Odu fires, yes sir. Pass to Pars Nagid. Asuncion. Pass to the middle. Katakutan. Lace. Bakit for 2? Katakut. And he's spinning. He's stepping back. Pull up J. Puyot. No good. Katakutan. Bounce pass. Canson Lace. Yes sir. Canson. Pass. Here comes Katakutan. Post up against Rondaris. Will stop. Will fire. Will pump. Will fire. No good. Rebound by Damaso. Kicks it out. Open look. No good. Asuncion the rebound. Wing side. Far sa 3. Bang! Katakutan! And he stopped the pass. And he spins. Natapikan Damaso. Katakutan bounce pass. Canson. And boom! And here's the drives. The floater shot. Yes sir! Of the first quarter. And the pass, Quinto. Kicks out. Open, fires at 3. Bang! Mendoza! And here's Asuncion. Asuncion, pass to Odu. Odu bump. Stops. Kicks out. Corner. Yumol for 3. Too strong. Quinto. Ginto in a pass. Oliver drives. Kicks it out. Open. Pinasa pa sa 3. Mendoza. Bang! Back to back 3 men. On for CFAM. Pass to Odo. Launches on 3. Too strong. Rebound pa rin para sa CFAM. Sa gitna. Damaso. Uy. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. And here's back. Inbound. Katakutan. Step back. Pass inside. Oh! What a connection. What a find. And the finish. Corner. Will drive. Katakutan. Lace. Yes, sir. Over Fernandez. Ginto. Stops. Pass to the corner. Cebrano drives. Kicks out. Open. Fires at 3. In and out. Rebound Odu. Odu. Will drives. He spins. Fires off the glass. No good. Fires at 3. Bang! Asuncion! Bound ngayon. Yumol. Pass inside. Fires. Odu will the finish. Cebrano crosses over. Drives. Kicks out. Open. Pull up jumper. Rondaris. Short. Rebound Odu. Pass break ngayon. Damaso. Lumipad. Basket and 1. Ginto. Crossover move. Pinasa. Open. Fires at 3. Rebound by De La Cruz. Basket for 2. And the pass. And Oliver all alone to the hoops. Easy 2. And the backdoor inbound for Team CFAM. Odu launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. Odu crosses over. He pass. And Rondaris. Corner pass. He dribble. Pass back Rondaris. Drives to the middle. Floater. Wala. And the pass. Attack. Slash. Yes, sir. Pass to the middle. Kicks out. Ginto stepping back. Fires at 3. In and out. And the pass break. Odu. The pass. Katakutan. No, sinausaw ni Katakutan. And here's Rondaris. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass. Pick and roll. Na-recover. Ginto drives. Pinasa. Mata. Bucket for 2. Mata. And Casas. And Canson dancing at the floor. Will drives. Will lace. Won't go. Oh, sinakyan. Sumakay sa likod. And stop. Rondaris open. Far sa 3. Bang! 3. And here you go. Spins. Odu. Goes to the screen. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Odu lost the ball. That's the end. Quinto dribbling the ball. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. And by Casas. Odu goes to the middle. He crosses over. And natapikan. Quinto. Stop for 3. Bang! 3 points. Katakutan. Katakutan against Fernandez. Spins. Penetrates inside. Oh! Daris. Between the legs. To the middle. Pass to Ginto. Deep three. Bang! Another three. Ginto. Bounce pass. Mendoza. Ginto kicks out. Open look. Mendoza. One more. Drives to the hoops. Rondaris. Yes, sir. Rondaris down to 4-point lead. Baseball with Odu. Odu against and pass, attack, inbounding. Ginto, oh, no look pass. Oh, what a backdoor inbound. Perfect. And inbound on Canson. Fires a three. Bang! 3 points. Rondaris natapikan. Stalin. Canson. Canson is Ginto. He pass. He takes. Oh! And for the inbound Canson, Odu. Odu. Crossover for 3. Wala. Mendoza, the long pass. Puyot. For 3. No good. Pass bucket for 2. De La Cruz. Inbound here. Forting Sipam. Canson. He pass. Odu. Wires. Yes. Easy to. Inbounding here. Oliver. Pass inside. Oop. Pass break. Damaso. To the boobs. Oh, short. Oh, the follow-up shot. Ginto. Ginto. Pass to the middle. Cortez. Deep three. Bam! 3 points. Oliver. Oliver at the top. Pass to the corner. Puyot. Cross pass. Ginto. Ginto. The pass. Oliver goes inside. And it's Cortez. Nagid. Canson. Canson. Please. Bucket. Canson. Ginto. Corner pass. Takes. Drives. The floater. Nagid. Another Puyot. Pass. Yes, sir. The second chance. And the drives. Katakutan. And ball stolen. Sa gitna. Ginto. Stop. Pass inside. Fires. Basket. Cortez. And bump. Odu. Odu against Puyot. Katakutan. Katakutan. Pull up J. Bullseye. Stolen. And with the pass. Oliver stop for 3. That's the Rondaris. Start spins. Bounce pass. Mendoza. Behind the back dribble. Pass to the middle. Rondaris. Nagel. And the long pass. Oh! Oh, down. Rondaris. Mendoza for 3. Bang! The Nets. Mendoza. Takutan. Now at the top. Against Fernandez. Posting up. And bump. And this. Picks, bump. Kicks out. Open look. Fires a 3. Bang! Yumol. Daris. Rondaris. Corner pass for 3. Bang! Ginto. 3 points. Oliver. Drives. Bounce pass inside. Ginto. Inside pass. So, for 3. Bang! Rondaris. Damasok. Inbounding to Katakutan. Pass to Odu. Lobos against Mendoza. Kicks out. Odu for 3. Short. Rebound. Rondaris. Rondaris inside pass. Cortez. Here comes Katakutan. Behind the back dribble. High pass. And here's Odu. Odu fakes. This is Tansha. Shot clock running down to 5. Stop fakes. Sa gitna Odu for 3. Won't go. Oop. Fakes. Pinasa floater. Easy to. And pass deep 3. Bang! Rondaris. Inbounding. Odu. Pass to Katakutan. Katakutan holds the ball. Dribbling the ball. Inside pass. Edu, fakes. Fakes pass. Bakit? Went in. And post cover. Katakutan. Katakutan. Pass. Bam! Dive shot at 3. And Quinto. And drives. Kicks out. Oliver. Rondaris. Pull up J. Bullseye. Katakutan. Goes to the screen. Goes inside. Hook shot. Bucket off the glass. Cut. Oliver. Kicks out. Rondaris. Kicks out. Kicks. Corner. Open far sa 3. No good. Rebound para kay Oliver. Kicks out. Fix. Juan Mendoza for 3. Bang! 3 points. Oliver. Oliver now at the top. Will drive to the goal. Oh, rejected by harang na malaki. Canson. And the pass for 3. Bang! Quinto. Once again. Zigzagging. Oliver. He pass. Quinto. Ginto. Far sa 3. Too strong. Rebound down to 1 point lead. To 1 point lead. Katakutan. Katakutan. And here's Canson. Inside pass. Damaso. Oh, down to 3 point lead. And the pass. Ginto. 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 Inside pass. Ito wide open. Oliver. Crossover. Drives. Inside pass. Reverse basket and 1. De La Cruz. Big back. For the tie. Bakit Tiger? And the pass to Odu. Odu. 52 seconds on the game clock. Odu will kicks out. Here's Damaso. Chris the screen. Crossover. Nahalos the handle. Quinto. The pass break. Oliver. And kicks out. And he's taking it easy. And the pass back. Pass out 3. Won't go. Rebound put back. Oh! Big bucket for the left. And here's Damaso. Damaso is spinning. And here's Odu. Odu drives. Stop for 3. Won't go. Rebound again. De La Cruz. In the pass, Mendoza hope. Mendoza at the free throw. Wala. Last and final free throw. Bakit? 3-point lead. Inbounding. Looking for the receiver. Katakutan for 3. Short. Ooh. Congratulations.